Look at Jay.
Check my pump action over here. Man, you gotta even slide back so I can at least get towards the rim now.
I ain't giving you a lot of room now. I'm gonna tell you.
You too close, bro. He supposed to be like this. He supposed to be coming out.
He
Right
still shot on you.
You feel me?
You still got shot on, Jay.
But still, they feel where I'm coming from, though. The block and duck, you got to be taking up so your hands
Yeah.
can win. You can't jump on this man from back here. I can't glide that damn far.
It's my damn turn.
Oh, what you want?
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
Ah!
throw that shit, nigga.
What happened, Jay? You got scared?
Yeah, you got to say he want to test it. I wasn't even looking.
So you got your shit back. You better get your face back, son.
Now, line up how I lined up, though. You feel what I'm coming
Yeah,
from, though?
a short person that dunked on you, man, back your shot and about to dunk on you.
He too close. He too close. Hey, let me show you what to get at, man. Get it right here. So when I take off, you can reach right here. Right there at the rim, man. Like that.
I'm glad I got this on camera.
Oh, hey, did I hit my man?
What I say? I said grab it.
Oh, we gonna replay. I don't think I touched you on that one, man.
I said grab it.
Damn, Jay. When I play that back in slow motion, you gonna look a damn fool.
I don't give a fuck.
I ain't back down.
Pack a shot. That's what I want to see. Get that on camera. Get you packing a shot.
Huh?
I told Jay, let me get him packing a shot. Jay got platted out this motherfucker. Got platted in basketball. Oh! Jay got dunked down. You suck ass. Now you dunk on him. You suck ass.
Man, let's run this 1-5, man. Fuck this thing.
I don't even want to get that. Mike, you can get that.